Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the topic is leverage. Leverage is an instrument which is used to get the desired or expected result. So here I will explain. In financial management, leverage means an influence of one financial factor over some other. So it is an instrument which is used to get the desired and expected result. Types of leverage. There are three types of leverages. First one, operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. So what does mean by operating leverage? In simple terms, operating leverage means change in profit due to change in sales. It is known as operating leverage. Here formula for operating leverage is there. Contribution divided by operating profit, that is nothing but EBIT, earning before interest and tax. So operating profit or EBIT, how to get? In sales less variable cost minus fixed cost, then we get the EBIT. So operating profit is nothing but EBIT. Here another one formula is there. In contribution, if we deducted fixed cost, then also we get the EBIT. Then how to get contribution? In sales we have to deduct variable cost, then we get the contribution. These overall formulas are here. Once again I will explain. Operating leverage equal to sales minus variable cost, that is a contribution. Then sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost, that is a operating profit. So it is all about operating leverage. Then come to the point, degree of operating leverage. Degree of operating leverage equal to ratio in between change in profits and change in sales. Percentage change in profit divided by percentage change in sales, then automatically we get the degree of operating leverage. Then I will explain about a financial leverage. Financial leverage means what? It is a change in earning per share due to change in operating profit or EBIT. Here formula is there, EBIT divided by PBT. So degree of financial leverage is percentage change in EPS divided by percentage change in EBIT. In combined leverage, it is the combination of both operating leverage and financial leverage. So operating leverage into financial leverage, then we get the combined leverage. It is a formula for combined leverage. Another one formula is there, contribution divided by PBT. I will explain it with one simple problem, that is the problem number 1. Following are the information related to A company limited and B company limited. You are required to calculate operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. Here A company limited information and here B company limited information, and here sales, variable cost, fixed cost and interest is there. Then come to the point, before solving the leverages we should come to know contribution, EBIT and PBT. So that's why sales less variable cost, then we get contribution. Here A company limited and here B company limited. Then in contribution, if we deducted fixed cost, then we get EBIT or operating profit. In EBIT, if we deducted interest, then automatically we get PBT, profit before tax. Here both companies information is available. Then we go directly for a calculation of operating leverage. Operating leverage formula is there, contribution divided by EBIT. So here A company limited and here B company limited. Put it in formula. that is a 30,000 contribution in case of A company and 70,000 in case of B company, and EBIT is 15,000 and 30,000. Divide it and get the answer. Then financial leverage also is there, EBIT divided by PBT. It is a formula for financial leverage, A company limited and B company limited. You have to substitute the amount. Then come to the point combined leverage. Combined leverage formula is there, operating leverage and into financial leverage. Multiply with operating leverage into financial leverage. So here operating leverage answer is 2 and financial leverage answer is 1.5 in case of A company limited. Multiply with these two, then we get the combined leverage. Similar way we have to do with B company limited. This is all about how simple problems in leverage, and I will come with in next video with another one problem. Thank you for watching.